Welcome to a video on radical terminology. So on this slide, you can see that I have an example of a radical, which is just a name given to any term that contains roots. So in this situation, we have a cube root because we have a number 3 in the index. So the index is the number outside the root, and it indicates which root that we solve for. So I've highlighted that in yellow. The number inside the root is called the radicand. So in this case, it's the number 27. The radicand can be negative if the index is an odd number, but it can't be negative if the index is an even number. Just one last thing to note. The default setting for the index is 2. So for example, if we have the square root of 16, we don't typically, you won't typically see a 2 written in the index. It's just assumed that it's a 2. It's not necessarily wrong to have a 2 there, but just something to note. If you see it without the 2, that means that it is by default 2.